Okay guys, so as you can see by the title of this video, we've got a pick from the fantastically talented Jeff Burke. Jeff, my friend, thank you ever so much for sending this all this way. I really do appreciate it. As some of you already know, obviously I made some picks and Jeff sort of looked at one and thought it was quite nice, so I just sent it over to him, and I did not expect anything back. But of course, you know, I love picks, and I know that Jeff makes absolutely superb picks. I mean, it's yeah, very, very talented, and has certainly given me another lease of life to sort of carry on creating some picks, because the standard of Jeff's work is absolutely sublime. So Jeff, my friend, thank you very much. And of course, obviously, because I'm pretty sure there's just a pick in there, I thought we'd share this with you guys and see what Jeff sent over to us. So what we'll do, we'll cut this bad boy open and we'll have a look. I've got a camera at a bit of an awkward angle actually, so I'm just going to make sure you stay in camera focus. And let's just cut this across here without cutting myself. That's better. It's actually Friday afternoon actually, which is quite good. It's this come a couple of days ago and it's been absolutely killing me not to open it, but I needed to find the time to actually do the video rather than just rush it. So oops, just knocked the camera out. Sorry there guys. Okay, so we are open. Let's just get the side there as well. Okay, and I'm super excited about this, I must say. Still got some more to do there. Okay, it's just, that's good. Okay, so we should just be able to open this up now. Okay, here we go. Okay, look at this, absolutely fantastically well packaged. Just the box there, we can recycle that to send some more parcels out. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Oh God, I'm really excited about this, I've got to say. We'll just carry on opening this up. I think we'll just use it. We'll just do this. Okay. Okay. Put that down there. Now, okay, now let's have a look, see what Jeff sent over to us. Oh my word, look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Jesus Christ, I mean, this is absolutely stunning. Let me just move these bits and pieces out of the way there. Have a look at that. I've got to say, I think this is the most incredible pick I've ever seen in my life. Jeff, my friend, this is incredible. Have a look at that. I've never seen anything so beautiful in all my life. It looks like it's made out of 9-carat gold, and look at that acrylic, like pearl acrylic. It's just phenomenal. Jeff, my friend, I've never seen anything so amazing in all my life. The pick tip there as well, absolutely perfect pick tip, mirror finish. But the handle on that is just incredible. Let me just get a cloth just to polish that up. I mean, that is just absolutely sublime. Jeff, my friend, that is... Do you know what? You see these videos where people unwrap these picks and they go all speechless and silly, yeah? I say, I'm not going to do it, I'm not going to do it. Yeah, of course I am. It's when you get something this amazing and the amount of work that's gone into that pick is just completely amazing. I mean, the mirror finish, the work on the metal work is just sublime. That acrylic is just absolutely perfect, and the actual mirror finish on that pick tip is just something to be absolutely amazed with. Jeff, my friend, that is probably one of the most amazing picks I've ever seen in my life, and probably ever will see. It's much better than what I could do. It's wow. It's yeah, I know picks are for using, but I honestly don't think I'll be using this. This is just so amazing. The actual rivets as well, absolutely perfect, with that perfect mirror finish as well. Jeff, my friend, thank you so much for all the time and effort you've put into this pick for me. I really do appreciate it. and this will take pride of place with all the rest of the awesome picks that I've got. And once again, it's kind of inspiring to sort of raise my standard of picks to try and get somewhere close to something like this. This is just amazing, and to use two different materials as well, which I know is very, very difficult. I actually managed to do one with two different woods, which took me long enough, but to actually get this sort of metalwork and the acrylic to actually sort of form in such perfect manner is absolutely fantastic. Jeff, my friend, I can't thank you enough. This thing is stunning. And of course, I'll make sure there's a nice thumbnail so everybody can just see that perfect pick. Absolutely awesome. Jeff, my friend, I've just, I've done it in my speechless video. Absolutely amazing. Your work is phenomenal. And thank you again ever so much for all the time, effort you put into this. I really do appreciate it. And that is a pick to be treasured, I must say, as I think everybody would agree. Absolutely awesome. Jeff, my friend, thank you very much. I'll leave a link for Jeff, his fantastic Instagram account and YouTube account. And like I say, you can see the rest of his work because it's absolutely sublime. Thanks ever so much, guys. Hope you really enjoyed it as much as I have. I'm going to just have another quick look at this once we shut the camera down and then get myself back off to work. Absolutely sublime. Thanks ever so much. Cheers, guys. Catch up with you next one.